My name is Felix. I am the owner and operator of Jimahajer Garage, also known as JH Garage. Right next to us is our flagship vehicle, which is our 2011 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. So with our stock brakes, our truck is pushing a little bit over 7,000 pounds right now with all the modification. Our truck doesn't know the word diet at all. With each modification, it gains weight. It's crazy. So with the stock brakes, we were having huge braking issues, which is a safety hazard, really. Even on regular streets, forget off-roading. Off-roading it's worse, but even on the residential street where you're going at pretty low speeds, we were having braking issues. But now that we have the big brake kits on, I can already see the difference. I mean, before, even like I said, even on the streets, overcooking our brakes was a regular thing. We could smell it all the time, but we just went on a test drive. Didn't smell the brakes a single time. The install process was fairly straightforward. There's instructions available if you aren't familiar with how brakes work, so all you have to do is follow it to the T. The built-in craftsmanship of the brakes are phenomenal, especially when compared to the brakes that we had before. It's incredible, and even before installing it, looking at the finishing of the anodized calipers, wow. If I could convince every single customer that walks into my doors to get these brakes, I would recommend it, because we are all having the same issues where our trucks just get heavier and heavier and our brakes just don't support it. But these, night and day difference.